Hey, what up guys, Ivan here, welcome to another CLC free watchlist. We are ready to share some in-depth analysis with the setup that we share during the weekend in our weekly PDF, and we are ready to share the first analysis on Australian dollar, US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. We can see a very complex analysis because we can see that we have two Fibonacci retracement in this setup. Because we can see that here the price, during the last days of July, the price has reached here this bearish trend line, and we can see that the price failed to break this resistance area, mini resistance area, around 0.7090 here. And after this clear touch of this bearish trend line, we can see that the price start a massive bearish movement that break this key level, this strong key level for the Australian dollar, US dollar, this key level 0.69 here, and we can see that the price reach here this bearish trend line. We can see how strong is this bearish channel, and we can see that the price here has perfectly reached the lower part of this side channel, and we can see that here the price tried to go lower here, but we can see that the price closed this daily candle with a massive lower shadow, and for me this is a clear bullish signal. But we can see that after this clear bullish signal, the price didn't find the strength to go higher, form this bullish candle, but we can see that the price didn't find the strength to pass 0.6820 here, and from this point the price start this wide lateral phase, and we can see here 26 August the price try another time to form new lows and break this bearish trend line, but we can see that the price after this first bearish movement find the strength to go higher and form this bullish candle here. After this clear bullish engulfing candle here and this clear bullish signal, the price another time didn't find the strength to go higher and start another bearish phase. And we can see that in the last weeks, the price after the news on Australian dollar, the price tried to go lower another time and form a clear lower shadow before starting this strong bullish movement that we can see here as break the upper part of this side channel. And we can see that the price after this clear break reach this key level 0.69, but we can see that in this area the price has formed many upper shadows here without the strength to go higher, and for me this was a clear signal that the price need a correction before the next bullish phase. Using Fibonacci from the start of this last bullish phase, we can see that these two Fibonacci retracement are just a few pips below the upper part of this side channel, and this retracement is just few pips below 0.68, and we can see that the price has already reacted this level several times in the last weeks. So, as explained in my weekly PDF that you can find on our free Telegram channel, I expect a correction before the next bullish phase. And we can see that with this Fibonacci, we have this Fibonacci extension here, just few pips below this slowdown area here, and we can see that using Fibonacci from the start of this last strong bearish phase, we can see that in this area we have also this Fibonacci retracement 7.1, and in this area we have two possible confluences, because if the price will react the upper part of this side channel, I expect another bullish phase with target around 0.6950 where we have this Fibonacci extension for this bullish movement, and we have also this Fibonacci retracement that could be a good correction after this strong bearish movement. We take a long trade here with our free and VIP Telegram channel, and we close this trade here, and I share on the 4-hour time frame in the weekly PDF, I share another good setup that could be used today, because we can see that the price this week break this bullish trend line and start another bearish phase that almost reach our entry point, but we can see that after this correction the price during the night start another bearish phase that bring the price another time to touch this 200 period EMA. We can see perfectly support the price here. So now we need to watch carefully the price action and look if the price after this touch will start another bullish phase, or the price will search a deeper correction around the upper part of this side channel and this slowdown area before the next bullish move. For now, guys, I share this setup also in the VIP Telegram channel, but I explain very well to not take risk today, because looking at the macroeconomic side here, we can see that during the day we will have strong news on the US dollar, especially this FOMC statement. Here we can see federal funds rate, and we will have this press conference this evening. So I expect big movement on the US dollar, and I expect maybe the price form clear stop hunt before the next main direction. So as explained before, stay away from the market and look carefully for clear bullish signal here, because we have two potential scenarios for this evening. If the price will reach this area with a clear reaction, this could give us a good entry point and could be the final confirm for this setup one. But if the price will start another bullish phase, we will have to carefully watch the price action around 0.69, because a clear break on the daily time frame could bring the price to the final bullish phase with target around 0.6950. So guys, today it's a critical day because we will have strong news this evening, so don't rush into any trade, but wait the right confirm. And now we can watch Euro Japanese Yen, another setup that I share with you in the weekly PDF. And we can see that the price in part perfectly followed this analysis, because we can see that the price opened with a massive bearish gap, didn't find the strength to go higher, and after forming this bearish engulfing candle, the price start a bearish phase that almost bring it to touch our entry point here. But we can see that the price perfectly touch this Fibonacci retracement, and from this point form first of all a bullish engulfing candle that bring the price to start another bullish phase. And we can see that the price this morning has finally closed this bearish gap, because we can see that the price opened with 45 pips bearish gap, and we can see that the price finally this morning has closed this bearish gap and failed to go higher another time, and from this point seems ready to start another bearish phase. So for now, guys, I remove our entry point from this point 118.50, and I move our entry point just few pips above 119, and I explain why. Because using Fibonacci here, we can see that around this level we have this Fibonacci retracement here. We have also the bullish trend line here, and here we can see that in this area we have also this 50 period EMA. So if the price will start another bearish phase, we need to watch carefully the price action around this area, because a clear reaction like an hammer candle or a bullish engulfing after the clear touch of this bullish trend line could bring the price to a new bullish phase, and we can see that this Fibonacci extension here perfectly matching this slowdown area, the next slowdown area. So now guys, we need to watch carefully the price action, try to understand if the price will search a correction, because a clear bullish signal could give us a good entry point for this setup. We can see here that last week the price has formed this huge stop hunt on the daily time frame, and this evening after the FONC news we need to be very careful and watch the market with the eyes open, because I expect maybe another stop hunt before the next bullish phase. So here guys, don't place order but wait clear bullish signal, because we can see here how strong the movement after the news was, and immediately after this clear bearish candle the price start a strong bullish phase, and obviously this bearish movement and cut out many retail traders from the market, because the price touch many stop loss places here, and after this bearish movement the price immediately start to follow again the main direction. So this evening I expect a similar scenario, especially because all the market are waiting this FONC rate statement. So I expect a slow day with low volatility and a big explosion this evening. So watch out guys for clear stop hunt before thinking about a possible entry. Now we need only to watch the price action around 119, where we have also all these confluences. And then we are on GBP USD on the 4 hour, on the daily time frame, sorry. As explained in my weekly PDF, we can see here that the price last week has reached this resistance area just below 1.24, but on Friday the price find the strength to form this strong bullish candle that break 1.24 and close the daily candle few pips below 1.25 and give us a huge bullish signal for the next weeks, because we can see that the price the last time that break this key level was around 26th July here. And in my weekly PDF I explained that I expect a correction and a clear touch of 1.24 and maybe of this slowdown area where we have also this Fibonacci retracement before the next bullish phase, because my personal target is around 1.26 or 1.2650 in this area where we have also this bearish trend line. And we can see that the price has perfectly followed the first part of my analysis, because the price opened the week below 1.25. The price start a correction, and yesterday after the clear touch of 1.24 start another bullish phase that bring the price to form a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, and this was a massive bullish signal, but we can see that the price failed another time to pass 1.25, and this could be a huge signal that the price is not ready to go higher. But for now guys, we need to watch carefully the price action, and looking at the 4 hour time frame we can see that the price yesterday morning has perfectly touched our entry point, and just after the touch of this key level 1.24 and this bullish trend line we can see here, after the clear touch the price start this huge bullish movement, and we can see that just before the daily closing, the price has formed this shooting star candle that could be a clear signal that the price has not the strength to go higher. And the price during the night has followed this signal and start a bearish phase that bring the price another time to touch this bullish trend line. For now, guys, we are completely risk-free on this trade and we have already made 100 pips here. So now, guys, in this particular situation, because this evening we will have the FONC minutes rates, I prefer to not make any adjustment on this trade, but let's settle the market and look with the stop loss at break even if the price after the FONC minutes rate will start another bullish phase. We have two possible scenarios, guys, because if the price will find the strength to go higher, I will let run the price and I will look carefully the price section around 1.26 here to close another part of this trade before the price will reach our take profit. Or if the price after the news will start another bearish phase, I will look carefully, guys, at the price section around 1.24 and also around this slowdown area, because I expect a clear stop hunt before the next bullish phase. And here we can see that in the last weeks we take a long trade here and a long trade here, and we can see clear stop hunt here, another clear stop hunt after this first bullish engulfing candle, and we can see here another example that the price on GBP USD try to form stop hunt before the next clear movement. We can see another clear stop hunt here, another here, and we need to watch carefully the price action, because if the price will start another bearish phase but will react 1.24 or this slowdown area, I expect another bullish phase, and this false break will give us good entry point for a long trade. For now, guys, we are completely free and we have already made good profit on this trade in both VIP and free Telegram channel. So I'm very happy with this setup that I share with you, because also this setup was shared yesterday in the morning update with this setup completely clear. So we are completely clear on our setup, and we hope all the people in the free Telegram channel has catch this perfectly set up. For now, guys, as explained before, it's a critical day because we will have strong news, and we can watch here that this morning we will have this news on the Canadian dollar. Here during the night we will have this FONC economic project FONC statement here. Obviously, watch out for this FONC press conference when we talk the President Powell, and we can see that during the night we will have many news on New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar here, Japanese yen, Swiss franc. So I expect that these 2 days could bring clear movement and a lot of volatility into the market, because the market this week is very slow, because the market are wait for this news. Try to understand the next main decision on the economic policy for USD, for the Australian dollar, and also the euro area after the talk of President Draghi of the last week. So we need to be very careful and watch out for this news, especially on Australian dollar, US dollar, because we will have the FONC minutes this evening and 2 key news during the night on the Australian dollar. So we need to be very careful, wait, clear signal, and watch how the market will react to this news before thinking about a possible entry. So this is our free watch list for this week. A little update on the pair that we share with you during the weekend on our weekly PDF, and a little update on our trade on GBP USD that we hope you catch yesterday morning after our update in the morning update. All this setup was shared in our free Telegram channel, and you can find the link into the bio of this video. We hope this video can help you. We need to be very careful and have a lot of patience today, guys, because in these days with a lot of key news, we need to sit on our hands and let's settle the market before thinking about any entry or any setup. So, thank you for watching this video, guys. We hope this video can help you with your trading routine, and we wish you a good day, and click like and subscribe to our channel if this video has helped you. Thank you, guys, and we wish you a good day from CLC Trading.